Okay guys, this is going to go on my new channel. It's called Autoboss. Yes, there are some other people with the name Autoboss. I'm going to have to tweak the name of my channel a little bit. I already have some of the top videos in the world when it comes to certain things like Honda Accord VTC actuator, a lot of stuff on the Chevy Malibu accelerator pedal position sensor, excuse me, and things of this nature. I'm going to flash across the screen in an edited video, a semi-edited video anyway, some of the problems that I've had, and I'll link some of my other videos on how to fix it. It seems to be a common problem and more people are starting to have it. One is a code by the name of, you'll see it when it pops up on the screen, but I think it's P2138. It's correlation between your 1-2 signal inside your accelerator pedal position sensor. And what ends up happening and how the vehicle reads it is, as you push into the pedal, it sends voltage going to your accelerator pedal position sensor. And that sensor is built into the entire unit of the pedal assembly. It's literally unbolt it, unclip it, toss it, install the new one, plug it back in, clear your codes, you should be good to go. Some vehicles have a throttle relearn, but on this particular vehicle, I don't think that's the case here. So anyway, as you press into the throttle, you have two specific spots that change the voltage that's going in. One decreases resistance as it moves forward and the other one moves backwards, and they oppose each other. And as long as those two opposing signals increase one way and decrease the other, and they fluctuate as you're pushing into the pedal, no reduced engine power. As you push into it, if one is increasing but the other one's kind of stuck and it's not changing so much, the computer's not picking up the resistance or the voltage feedback like it's supposed to because there's a sensing wire, it's going to say, wait a second, there's a problem here, reduce engine power, and it's going to give you just the bare minimum. Another issue could be the throttle position sensor. I'm going to flash a sensor and a throttle body unit across the screen. I don't particularly know what the part number is for the throttle body on the GM Malibu 16 to current 19, but I do know that throttle body can be a problem, accelerator pedal position can be a problem, and also there's a spot inside the door jamb that has a rubber boot, and that boot starts to lift off of its surface, and as water travels down that panel, they're saying that water can get back behind that and get inside into a main connector, and that can cause you to reduce engine power as well. Now I have pulled over on the side of the road and that's happened, pop off the plastic panel, undo the connector, which I have a really shisty video, or not even, it's a very dodgy video where I kind of show you how to pull that panel and stuff off. It's when I really didn't know much about video editing and stuff like that. Now I have an S9 phone that has way better videoing quality and things of that nature. So I will link the video on how to pull the panel off. It did work for me several times by pulling the connector off and putting it back together, and that was the problem. But that wasn't the problem. That fixed the problem temporarily, and that didn't actually fix the problem. It happened a second time after I sealed that area up, and it was the accelerator pedal position sensor, which is the entire pedal assembly. And you know, there have been thousands of people that have messaged me since I put that video up saying thank you for showing me or explaining to me how to fix this. It's been a big help. I hope this is even more help. So here we go. I will show you the problem areas. The first one's going to be the pedal assembly on what to replace. The second one is going to be a picture of a throttle position sensor or a throttle body unit itself. And the third one is going to be a screenshot of me pointing at the rubber connector that they say water gets behind. And then I will link the videos to this video so you can watch them again. I appreciate you guys for supporting me again. I'm trying to build up this channel, and thank you again.